Our little one is here. Congratulations, sir. Your wife done born.
Boy, Abi, Ness, talk fast.
Sir, na baby girl.
Yes, I. Girl again?
Yes, sir. This one make 'em 6.
6 girls. 6! God, why you dey shame me like this? God plan? You don't turn my house to girls' hostel. Kunle, calm down. Girl pikin no be curse.
This one is not now.
Now only boy they make man complete. Yes, yes. For my house, yes.
After all my suffering, still they disgrace me.
I'm done, Bisi. I no fit continue like this.